What happens when a star reaches the end of its life and explodes with unimaginable force, outshining entire galaxies in a single, blinding flash of energy? You are about to witness one of the most violent and awe-inspiring events in the universe, a supernova. These cosmic explosions are not just spectacular, they are essential to the story of the universe itself. They destroy stars, but at the same time, they create the building blocks for new ones. One of the most famous examples is supernova 1978, an explosion so powerful that its effects are still being studied today. Even decades later, its expanding shockwaves continue to ripple through space, reminding us that the universe is alive with change, energy, and unimaginable power. Supernova 1978 exploded with the power of 100 million suns, releasing an enormous amount of energy in a very short time. For a brief moment, it outshined the entire Large Magellanic Cloud galaxy where it occurred. This explosion gave scientists a rare opportunity to study a supernova in real time. Telescopes across the world captured its light, allowing astronomers to observe how such an event unfolds step by step. It was more than just a bright flash. It was a cosmic laboratory that helped us understand how stars die and how elements are spread across space. In the Tarantula Nebula, deep within a region filled with young and massive stars, one giant star is approaching its final moments. Its core temperature has reached an incredible 100 million degrees Celsius. At this stage, the star is unstable, burning through its fuel at an extreme rate. Soon, gravity will overcome the outward pressure of nuclear reactions and the core will collapse, triggering a supernova that could light up the entire region. Far away, about 7,500 light years from Earth, the Eta Carinae star system is another ticking time bomb. This massive star system contains a star that is around 100 times more massive than our Sun. It is extremely unstable and constantly releasing energy and material into space. Astronomers believe that Eta Carinae could explode as a supernova at any time, possibly even within our lifetime on cosmic scales. Astronomers once observed a supernova in the galaxy Messier 95. The light from this explosion traveled for 38 million years before reaching Earth. What we saw was not the event as it happened, but a glimpse into the distant past. Every supernova we observe is like looking back in time, a reminder of how vast and ancient the universe truly is. The Tycho supernova remnant is all that remains of a powerful explosion witnessed in 1572. Today, it appears as a vast cloud of gas and dust expanding through space. This remnant shows us what happens long after the initial explosion. The debris continues to spread, carrying energy and elements into the surrounding space. The Crab Nebula is another famous supernova remnant, expanding at a speed of 1,500 kilometers per second. Its glowing filaments stretch outward in all directions, powered by a pulsar at its center. This object is a powerful reminder that even after a star dies, its core can continue to influence its surroundings. Supernova 1006 was one of the brightest stellar events ever recorded by humans. Ancient astronomers reported that it was so bright, it could be seen during the daytime for nearly 2 years. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing a star shining brighter than anything else, even in daylight. The Kepler Space Telescope once detected a supernova in the galaxy NGC 1365. For a brief period, that single exploding star outshined its entire galaxy. This shows just how powerful a supernova can beat one star, releasing more energy than billions of others combined. A supernova can release as much energy in a few moments as our Sun will produce over its entire lifetime. This energy spreads outward as a shock wave, pushing gas and dust across vast distances. It's one of the most energetic events known in the universe. The Vela supernova remnant, located about 800 light years away, is a massive cloud of expanding gas glowing in X-rays and gamma rays. It shows us the high energy aftermath of such an explosion. Even long after the star has disappeared, its energy continues to shape space around it. Astronomers estimate that a supernova occurs in the Milky Way about once every 100 years. However, most of these events go unnoticed because they are hidden behind thick clouds of gas and dust. There could be supernovae happening right now in our galaxy, completely invisible to us. In 2014, the supernova assassin 14J was discovered, shining brightly from 350 million light years away. Even at that distance, it was powerful enough to be detected by our instruments. This shows how incredibly bright and energetic these explosions are. The most powerful supernova ever recorded, SSSN 15 Lord, released an almost unimaginable amount of energy, 570 billion times more than our Sun. Events like this push the limits of what we understand about physics and the universe. They challenge scientists to rethink how stars evolve and die. Supernovae are responsible for creating many of the heavy elements in the universe, including gold and platinum. This process, known as nucleosynthesis, happens under extreme conditions during the explosion. The atoms in your body and even the gold you wear may have been formed in a supernova billions of years ago. The supernova remnant G299 to 2.9 is another expanding cloud of gas glowing with intense radiation. It represents the long-lasting impact of a stellar explosion. These remnants continue to influence their surroundings for thousands of years. Astronomers use certain types of supernovae as standard candles to measure distances in the universe. Because they reach a consistent brightness, scientists can calculate how far away they are. This method has helped us understand that the universe is expanding. The Hubble Space Telescope captured a detailed image of the supernova remnant Enether 2D. Its glowing filaments show the structure of the explosion in stunning detail. Each strand of gas tells part of the story of the star's final moments. Supernovae don't just destroy, they also create. The shockwaves from these explosions can compress nearby gas and dust, triggering the formation of new stars. In this way, death leads directly to new beginnings. The Spitzer Space Telescope detected a supernova in the galaxy Messier A2, hidden behind thick dust clouds. Even when we can't see them with visible light, these explosions can still be detected in other wavelengths. This helps scientists uncover events that would otherwise remain hidden. Supernovae enrich the interstellar medium by spreading heavy elements across space. These elements become part of new stars, planets, and eventually life itself. Without supernovae, the universe would be a much simpler and less interesting place. The Chandra X-ray Observatory captured an image of the supernova remnant RCW86. Its glowing structure reveals the energy still present long after the explosion. These remnants are like fingerprints left behind by dying stars. Scientists estimate that a supernova could occur as close as 100 light years from Earth. If that happened, it could affect our planet's atmosphere and climate. While rare, such events remind us that we are part of a dynamic and sometimes dangerous universe. The Swift telescope detected a supernova in the galaxy UGC 5185, briefly outshining the entire galaxy. Once again, a single star proved capable of dominating the light of billions of others. Some supernovae leave behind black holes, incredibly dense objects with gravity so strong that not even light can escape. Others leave neutron stars, spinning rapidly and emitting beams of radiation. What remains depends on the mass of the original star. The mystery of supernovae continues to fascinate astronomers. Each new discovery reveals more about the life cycle of stars and the forces that shape our universe. These explosions are not just endings, they are part of an endless cosmic cycle of creation, destruction, and rebirth. Now that you've witnessed the awe-inspiring power of supernovae, don't forget to subscribe for more incredible journeys through the universe. Like the video, share your thoughts below, and join us as we continue exploring the mysteries of the cosmos.